In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit site header color in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks to change your header background and related color settings, and I'll point out what each option does so you can make confident design choices. Start by opening your site and selecting the site title at the top of the page. This takes you into the header area. Choose Edit Site Header to open the header controls. Click your site title inside the header to reveal more options, then select Edit Design. In the Design panel, open Color to access the header's color modes and palette. You'll see options like Adaptive and Solid. Try Adaptive first if you want the header to automatically contrast with the section behind it. Then switch to Solid to lock in a specific color for a consistent look across pages. When you see options labeled like Highlight, that refers to a color token from your site's palette. Click the highlight swatch to preview how that palette color looks in your header. If you change your mind, you can toggle back to solid to keep things consistent. Next, choose background color to target just the header's background. Again, click the highlight swatch to apply your brand's accent color quickly. If you need a precise shade, pick Custom to open the full color picker. Then keep Solid active so the header uses your chosen color everywhere. Return to Design. Then open Color once more to fine-tune the related elements. Click the highlight options you see to apply that token to things like text or icons within the header, ensuring the look stays cohesive. If you've been experimenting, selecting Solid again helps lock the final choice. Curious about effects? You can try Gradient to add depth to the header. Click Gradient, preview the look, and then, if you prefer a cleaner style, switch back to Solid. Finally, choose the highlight swatch you want as your definitive pick. When everything looks right, click Save. That commits your color changes to the live site. A few quick tips as you work. If you have a brand color code, use Custom to enter it for an exact match. Always check legibility. Your header background and text should have enough contrast for readability. Preview on a smaller screen to ensure the header remains clear and consistent on mobile. And if Adaptive makes your header shift in ways you don't want, Solid gives you reliable consistency across pages. That's it.